Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lakshmi Anjana Sanku and I am excited to share my passion of Python programming with you all. On this channel, we will explore the world of the Python together, from basics to the advanced topics. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, I hope to inspire and educate you with engaging coding challenges. My goal is to create the high quality content that is easy to understand and fun to watch. So, if you are interested in learning the Python and stay up to the latest trends and best practicing, consider subscribing to my channel. Before I get into the video, please to subscribe to my channel. This is Python language. Today is the Python introduction of day 1 in the Python series. Before knowing the what is Python, we will learn some questions about what is program, why we write program. First of all, program means a program is a set of instructions written in a programming language that tells a computer how to perform specific tasks. Here, specific task means automating tasks. Programs can automate repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing the task of human error. Here we are solving some complex problems like a problem programs can be used to tackle intricate problems that could be difficult or impossible for humans to solve manually. And creating applications. Programs are the building block for creating a wide range of applications from simple to complex software systems. And why Python is named Python? Because Python programming language is named after the British comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus because the language's creator Zudio Van Rossum was a big fan of this show. So that's why he take the Python as the language name. And what are the features of Python? The features of Python is high level language, interpreted language, dynamic typing language, procedural and object oriented programming language, interactive and modular language, cross platform support. There are two types of language. There are low level language and high level language. Here low level language is assembly language as are close to the missions. Assembly languages are close to the missions native instruction set providing directional control. Next, high level language. Here, high level language means Java, Python are designed to be easy for humans to read and write. And now, what is the difference between compiled and interpreter languages? First of all, what is compiler? A compiler is a computer program that translates source code written in a high level language into mission readable code. That is mission code that can be directly executed by computer processors. Here compiled languages are C, C++, Java requires a separate compilation step before the program executed. The compiled code can be run efficiently on the target hardwares. The advantages of using compiled language. First point generally runs faster and more efficiently. And second point, as the code is optimized for the target hardware. Third point is they also provides better opportunities for error checking and optimization during the compilation process. And next one, what is interpreter? Here, an interpreter is a computer programming that directly executes instructions written in a programming language or scripting language without compiling the program first. Interpreter read and execute the source code line by line. And interpreter languages are Python, JavaScript, and Ruby are executed directly by the interpreter without any need for a separate compilation step. And the advantages of interpreter. The interpreter languages are typically more flexible and easier to use as they do not require a separation compilation step. They also make it easier to write and test small programs or scripts. Now coming to the what is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Gideon van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for development, software development, mathematics, and system scripting. What can Python do? So many members have this doubt. Here, Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflow. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify the files. One more thing, why Python? Python works on different platforms like a Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write program with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter language system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quickly. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object oriented way, or functional way. Now, the syntax of Python. This is the syntax of Python. Syntax compared to other programming languages. First point is Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language with influence and mathematics. Python uses new lines to complete a command as opposed to other programming languages which often use semicolons or and third is Python relies on indentation using white space to define scope such as scope of loops, functions and classes. Other programming languages often use curly braces for this purpose. There is no need of uses curly braces and semicolon of the Python language. It is very easy to learn.